The 2024 BMW i5 M60 stands out as BMW's flagship electric sedan, boasting a powerful dual-motor electric powertrain that churns out 590 horsepower and 605 pound-feet of torque. This power allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.8 seconds. Additionally, it's equipped with an all-wheel drive system as standard, ensuring optimal traction regardless of the weather conditions. The car's suspension is performance-oriented, striking a balance between a sporty and comfortable ride. A notable feature of the i5 M60 is its 111.5 kilowatt-hour battery pack, which provides an impressive estimated EPA range of over 300 miles, catering to most daily driving needs. For those on the go, the sedan's fast-charging capability is a boon, allowing a charge from 10% to 80% in just about 35 minutes. This ensures that even those without a home charger can keep their vehicle powered up with ease. From an aesthetic standpoint, the i5 M60 doesn't disappoint. It showcases a blend of elegance and sportiness with its aerodynamic design. The standard M Sport package, blacked-out exterior trim, and 20-inch M Performance wheels further accentuate its stylish appeal. Inside, the car is a tech haven. It comes equipped with the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, a digital interface displayed on two expansive screens, offering features like navigation, real-time traffic, and weather updates. The onboard BMW iDrive 7, the brand's latest operating system, ensures a seamless user experience with its intuitive interface. It also supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enhancing connectivity options for the driver. For audiophiles, the Harman Kardon surround sound system promises a top-notch auditory experience, delivering rich and immersive sound quality. Safety hasn't been compromised either. The i5 M60 is packed with advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with steering intervention, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. These features not only enhance safety, but also reduce driver fatigue, making long drives more comfortable. With a starting price point of around $85,000, the 2024 BMW i5 M60 is set to hit the U.S. market in the fall of 2023. In the competitive electric sedan segment, it goes head-to-head with rivals like the Tesla Model S, Mercedes-Benz EQS-AMG, and the Audi RS e-tron GT. Despite the stiff competition, the i5 M60 holds its ground with its competitive range, performance, and a price tag that undercuts some of its competitors. The BMW i5 M60 emerges as a formidable contender in the electric sedan category. It encapsulates a blend of performance, luxury, range, and cutting-edge technology, making it a suitable choice for those seeking a high-performance electric vehicle suitable for daily commutes. Its combination of luxury interiors, advanced tech features, and competitive pricing makes it a worthy investment for those eyeing the best in the electric sedan segment. Beyond its impressive specifications and features, the BMW i5 is also a testament to BMW's commitment to sustainability and the future of mobility. As part of BMW's broader strategy, the i5 M60 is expected to play a pivotal role in the company's goal to have more than half of its sales come from electric vehicles by 2030. This sedan, with its blend of performance and efficiency, is a clear indication that BMW is not just transitioning to electric, but is doing so without compromising on the driving dynamics and luxury that the brand is known for. Another aspect worth noting is the interior craftsmanship of the i5 M60. BMW has always been lauded for its attention to detail, and this sedan is no exception. Premium materials, ergonomic design, and innovative features create an ambience of luxury and comfort. The spacious cabin, coupled with adjustable ambient lighting, leather upholstery, and state-of-the-art noise insulation, ensures that every journey is a serene experience. Furthermore, the i5 M60 offers ample cargo space, making it not just a performance vehicle, but also a practical choice for families and long trips. Lastly, the after-sales service and warranty package that comes with the 2024 BMW i5 M60 deserve mention. BMW is known for its comprehensive service packages and customer-centric approach. New owners can expect a robust warranty, complimentary maintenance for a specified period, and roadside assistance. Additionally, with the growth of electric infrastructure, BMW is also investing in expanding its network of charging stations, ensuring that i5 M60 owners have easy access to charging facilities, further enhancing the ownership experience. This holistic approach to customer satisfaction underscores BMW's confidence in the i5 M60 and its commitment to supporting its clientele in the electric era. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.